What is up, guys? Hector here from Bolivia Adventures. It is 4:26 and I just got an idea for a great adventures. Stay tuned. Intro. What's up, guys? Okay, well, I got the idea to go somewhere right now, take a time lapse with my GoPro 7 of the sunrise, and take a couple of pictures while it's dark with long exposure of myself. Really cool pictures. I got some great ideas. So
you just have to believe in fate.
guys, I finished the photo shoot and it got cold. I love cold, but not moving much my hands. Oh, they were getting frozen. It was fun. It was fun. Everything came out just the way I wanted to. I enjoy it pretty much by myself. There were some pretty little desert rats, like this big. I think my microphone cover fluffy thing, it's bigger than those little rats. So they were so cute, like tiny. They were just like surrounding me. I was thinking I have a piece of a sandwich I was eating earlier. I was thinking to like feed them, you know, and have the pieces on my hand and be recording and maybe taking pictures of them, me feeding them. But yes, it was pretty cool. So this was the adventures for today. Oh, there is more coming, but later on this day. I think right now I'm just gonna go and edit this mini adventures and show it to you guys. So, yep. Then this is it for today, folks, and stay tuned for next video. I'll see you next time. You guys keep having adventures, enjoying your own good time every second, because he does matter. And I wasn't uploading much of a vlogs video. I was just being a little lazy. I don't know. My thought, if I listen to someone else what they tell me what to do, it's not the same of if you do it your own and have your own thoughts about it, you know, whatever it is, relationship, doing goals, or anything you really want to do. So I sort of was kind of listening to the people surrounding me and some other stuff, and I was kind of, it was kind of getting into me. That's why I was kind of like being lazy, not vlogging lately. So I don't know. I started to feel like I wasn't doing nothing at all, even though I was just doing the video games and uploading them. It does matter because this is an adventures for me that I want to show you guys that like anything you can do, you can enjoy. So yeah, it was getting to me, and I was like, no way. There is no way I have to do that. Whatever people is telling me, they can show me how it's done and how to do it, but that's about it. There is a big difference on telling you what to do and showing you how it's done, or how to do things. And that's about it, again. So I me my point of view is, show me how it's done and I will make it my own, in my own way. I can't be doing what people tells me to do, because obviously it's gonna be a mistake, because it's not gonna be the right way they want to. It's gonna be my way, and they're not gonna like it. So there goes the mistakes. So, well, this is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know you did. And thanks for watching. Next adventures I'm planning to do, I don't know. I'll let you guys know. I have no plans for right now, but I do want to keep vlogging and show you guys my adventures so you guys can come along. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. And well, peace. I'll see you guys later. Remember, keep dreaming. Dreams come true. Peace.